Imagine a place where endless mountains meet a deep blue sky, where peaceful monasteries stand among rugged landscapes and every road feels like an adventure. Welcome to Ladakh, the land of high passes. From the breathtaking Pangong Lake to magnificent Nubra Valley, Ladakh is filled with the views that look almost unreal. Ride through the dramatic Himalayan roads, explore ancient monasteries, meet warm and welcoming local people, and experience the silence of mountains. But the Ladakh is more than just beautiful scenery. It is a place that teaches you to slow down, breathe deeply, and appreciate the beauty of nature. If you are looking for adventure, peace, and unforgettable memories, Ladakh is waiting for you. Ladakh isn't just a destination, it's an experience that stays in your heart forever.